Hello, this is John. Welcome to your digital marketing course. This is a full and complete course of digital marketing. Digital marketing is a broad field that encompasses various strategies and techniques used to promote products, services, or brands using digital technologies and online platforms. It is an essential component of modern business as it allows organizations to reach a global audience, engage with potential customers, and drive sales and conversions. Point number 1. Introduction to digital marketing. Understanding the digital marketing landscape and its significance in today's business world. Overview of the major digital marketing channels and platforms. Point number 2. Website development and optimization. Basics of web development and design principles. Creating a user-friendly and responsive website. Search engine optimization (SEO) techniques to improve website visibility in search engines. Point number 3. Content marketing. Creating valuable and engaging content for different stages of the buyer's journey. Understanding various content formats such as blogs, videos, infographics, etc. Point number 4. Search engine marketing (SEM) and pay-per-click (PPC) advertising. Introduction to search engine advertising platforms like Google Ads, Bing Ads, etc. Keyword research and selection. Creating effective ad campaigns and optimizing them for better results. Lead management and budgeting. Point number 5. Social media marketing. Understanding major social media platforms Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. Creating a social media strategy and content plan. Social media advertising and targeting options. Point number 6. Email marketing. Building an email list and segmenting subscribers. Creating engaging and personalized email campaigns. Automation and drip campaigns for lead nurturing. Point number 7. Influencer marketing. Identifying and working with influencers in your niche. Building relationships with influencers. Measuring the impact of influencer marketing campaigns. Point number 8. Online PR and brand reputation management. Strategies for managing and enhancing brand reputation online. Dealing with negative reviews and feedback. Point number 9. Web analytics and data analysis. Understanding key web analytics tools, Google Analytics, etc. Interpreting data to make data-driven marketing decisions. Measuring and tracking KPI key performance indicators. Point number 10. Mobile marketing. Optimizing for mobile devices and creating mobile-friendly experiences. Mobile advertising and app marketing. Point number 11. Video marketing. Utilizing video content for marketing purposes. Platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, and other video sharing sites. Point number 12. E-commerce marketing. Strategies for promoting products and driving sales in e-commerce. Shopping ads and product listing optimization. Point number 13. Marketing automation. Using automation tools to streamline marketing processes. Lead nurturing and customer relationship management. Point number 14. Conversion rate optimization (CRO). Techniques to improve website conversions and user experience. /B testing and optimization strategies. Point number 15. Legal and ethical considerations. Understanding privacy regulations and data protection. Ethical marketing practices. Point number 16. Digital marketing strategy. Developing an integrated digital marketing strategy. Setting goals, budgets, and timelines. Case studies and real-world examples. Point number 17. Future trends in digital marketing. Exploring emerging technologies and trends in the digital marketing landscape. Point number 18. Practical projects and case studies. Hands-on projects to apply digital marketing concepts. Analyzing real-world case studies for better understanding. Please note that the depth and specific topics covered in a digital marketing course may vary depending on the course's duration and the level of expertise: beginner, intermediate, advanced. Some courses may focus more on certain areas, like social media marketing or SEO, while others may provide a comprehensive overview of the entire digital marketing ecosystem.